everyone and welcome back to my channel. Myself Dr. Surbhi Sahni. Hope you are doing great. Today I come forward with another vacancy for you, and that too for the BDS graduate. So without wasting time, let's see the vacancy detail. It is the vacancy in the Indian Council of Medical Research with the post name of scientist, and there is only just one vacancy. The qualification required for this category is the BDS or the PhD or even the master degree. The last date that you can apply for this vacancy is the 14th February of this year. ICMR job notification releases the information for the hiring of one scientist post, which has been released on the official website, which is shown on your screen. Candidates who are planning to start their career can apply having an offline application on or before 14th February of this year. Qualification: the first class master degree in life sciences, anthropology, biomedical sciences, epidemiology, public health, zoology or biochemistry from a recognized university with 4 years of experience in the above relevant subject, or second class MSc in life sciences, anthropology, biomedical sciences, epidemiology, zoology or biochemistry plus PhD degree in the above relevant subject from the recognized university with 4 years of experience again. Or if you are a BDS having a degree recognized from the DCI with 5 years of the experience in the relevant subject after BDS degree. Now the most important part is apna sapna money. That is the salary detail, and the salary is rupees 51,000 per month. Yes, definitely the age limit is also there, that is 40 years of the age limit. Selection process is based upon the walk-in interview, and now the most important part is how you can apply for this vacancy. Interested and eligible candidates can send their application in the prescribed format with duly filled in all the respects along with all the required supporting documents and the certificates duly self-attested to email on the email ID which is shown on your screen on or before 14th February of this year. Application last date is the 14th February of this year. That's all about the today's vacancy. If you want to check out the official notification regarding this vacancy, you can check out in the community tab section of my YouTube channel, or even don't forget to check out its official notification on my Instagram ID which is shown on your screen, and don't forget to follow me there. If you still have any query, you can drop me the mail which is shown on your screen, or if you can follow me on my Instagram ID. Do message your questions, your problems or your queries related to anything, whether it's related to NEET MDS or some final year dentistry subjects or anything related to dentistry or the vacancy. You can DM me there on my Instagram ID. Like, share and subscribe this video if you are new on my channel. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.